Oh hey there, welcome to my channel. So like I was bored and had no fucking clue on what to post, then I suddenly got an idea. I should do a weird text story, but the SqAuD version we all know it is for the K-pop community. But I was just really bored, so I decided to change things a bit. A quick disclaimer, this video is not how the SqAuD actually is in real life. I just made everything up in this video for fun and entertainment. So without further ado, let's get into the video.
Guys, what?
What's up? Yeah? Alex, I swear, if this is about you getting your hand stuck in the toilet, I don't want to hear it.
No. I think my house is haunted. Damn, I knew I shouldn't have brought those dolls.
What dolls? Yussie. We used to have these weird creepy dolls that Alex somehow managed to get her hands on. Weird things started to happen, so we threw them away, and we never saw them again. The end.
You liar, what are you talking about? You clearly tried burning the dolls and almost ended up burning the whole house. Then you tried flushing them down the toilet, and next thing I knew the toilet wouldn't flush, so then we had to call in a plumber.
But...
And that's not all. You even tried running them over, but all that did was cause a flat tire and a loss of $500 out of my wallet. Oof, she just exposed you.
Shut up, Jade. Guys, stop fighting. Let's civilize this argument as grown adults. EU. No.
Wait, hold up. I'm hearing an earthquake upstairs. WTF.
Oh, is someone burning calories in the bed?
Really light. That's just straight up disgusting.
Maybe it's Zach. What? Why would I cause a whole earthquake upstairs?
I mean, if you think about, you are capable of doing so. Guys.
What?
The noise just stopped.
Okay, good. Now I can get my beauty rest.
But now I'm hearing it in my room.
Oh my goodness, for God's sake, just go and check what the noise is.
But what if I get hit by a ghost? Girl, the only thing that's gonna hit you is this fist if you don't go and check what the noise is all about. Fine, but if I don't text back, I'm going to haunt all of you and contact my 50 lawyers. Oh, and Zach, you better pay for my insurance.
Wait, what? What kind of situation did I get myself into? Oh god, I don't want Alex to be haunting me. Yeah, same. Guys? What? What is it now? Alex hasn't answered in a bit. Well, isn't she your girlfriend? Go check on her or something. But like...
What?
I'm not at home. I'm at my mom's house. And what exactly are you doing at mom's house? Did she bake cookies again? If so, I'm coming. What? No. I came because Alex was giving me the chills. Your own girlfriend? Shut up, Light. Not like that. It's just she kept saying she heard noises, and I got creeped out. So I skedaddled out of there. Wait a minute. What if she got whacked by a ghost and she wasn't lying when she said she was going to haunt us and that I would have to pay for her insurance?
You are being delusional. Clearly me whacking her is my job.
Jade.
What? Just saying.
Hi, sisters.
Holy sh! What the heck happened? For a second I thought I really did have to pay for your insurance.
Well, did you figure out what the noise was? Oh yeah, turns out it was just Todd and Hanako-kun fighting over the Zach and Alex plushies. What? At least they're still in great quality.
You made us freaking worry over your dogs fighting over plushies. Yeah. 𝒊𝒔𝒏𝒕.
But I was.
No, you deserve us some Fruit Loops.
I don't even know what's going on anymore.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine.
Fruit Loops. Fruit Loops. Fruit Loops.
Fruit Loops? No, I'm not buying you guys Fruit Loops.
Fine by me.
Be like that then. What? Wait, guys.
You did this to yourself.
But... darn Fruit Loops.
That's all. Let me know if you'll want a part 2, and yeah, bye.